How's it going, everyone? Matt Roberts from Salt Lake City Bookkeeping, and today we're going to be doing a QuickBooks demonstration on downloading transactions into QuickBooks. I'm going to go over the types of transactions that can be downloaded, how to online download, and then negative aspects of downloading transactions. So if we switch over to our sample company here, Vandelay Industries, I'll first go over the types of transactions that can be downloaded. Really depends on your institution, but for the most part, bank accounts and credit cards are good candidates for downloading. It's going to save you quite a bit of time, and a lot of the major financial institutions do integrate with QuickBooks to allow online download. Now we're going to go over how to online download and how to set it up. There's a couple ways to do it. Let's set up this Amex here. I've got a credit card as an example. You can right click on it and hit edit, and then under right here set up online services is one way to do it. You can do it from your financial institution if you can find where, which is usually pretty easy by doing a web browsing session. But I will do the most common way, and that's just hit on the online banking button here and says you don't have any set up. Would you like to set them up now? You say yes, yes again. So the account we're going to set up is this Amex account. This is asking for your QuickBooks account. So I'm going to run through an example here, Amex. And you can type that in, American Express. And I'm just going to set up mine as an example. Direct Connect, no fee, or Web Connect, usually free. So you can find out from your institution if it's free. I'll just set up a Direct Connect so as an example for you guys. And you put your online sign-in info in, and here's the account, and you just select that and hit next, and it automatically pops all the info in to your QuickBooks. So I just want to show you on your chart of accounts how you know it's set up. It has a little lightning bolt here, which means that's set up for online download. If you right click on it and hit edit, you'll see an online services tab. You can deactivate the online services if you'd like and reset them up, but that's just how you know that it's set up, is that lightning bolt. Now in your online banking, if you hit that, here's a drop down of all the accounts set up. We just have this Amex. You can set up your bank accounts, all this, just hit receive transactions, pop in your password, and you're good to go. So very simple. Like let's take this one in Target here as an example and set that up, and let's just say it was office supplies. Now if the next time that you pop it up and Target comes in, it's going to automatically remember that. What it's going to start doing is remembering transactions. It's going to have transactions that are automatically recall the vendor and the account. It's going to save you quite a bit of time. You can add multiple transactions. You can delete transactions as you go. It's a great tool. I suggest doing it. I have seen some downfalls, which is what I'm going to get into next. Sometimes if you're, with your bank account, for example, if you're manually entering info and then you download, sometimes QuickBooks matches it up, sometimes it doesn't. I don't think you should not download. I think you should still try it and see how it works. Some accounts work great, some don't. I've seen stuff duplicated. I've seen stuff not match up properly. But for the most part, the download works flawlessly, and I definitely recommend trying it. And you're going to catch it on your bank recon anyway, whether it's working or not for you. So just a quick little demonstration there on downloading transactions into QuickBooks. If you got questions on this or anything else related to bookkeeping or QuickBooks in general, feel free to reach out. Thanks.